You're a creator who's just really tired and is feeling like the burnout of constantly feeling like they have to create a ton of content, let's talk for a second. This is something with so many of the creators that I work with in my membership social suite. I talk about this like literally every single day with them. I had one creator who I was talking with. She was a fashion creator and she was doing try on or like styling videos almost every single day. And I asked her, like, aren't you tired? And she was like, yeah, but this is what performs well for me. This is what I have to do for my audience. This is what they want to see. She wants to post more, but she doesn't have the capacity to like record more of those videos, which makes sense because it's a massive amount of work. I sat down with her and I said, how can we make this content more sustainable for you? Like, how can you deliver to your audience what they want to see, but in a way that's not going to make you go insane? And so what she actually ended up doing was she started to do like green screen videos. So she would show something behind her on the green screen where it was a fashion, styling, outfit, whatever, and she would talk about it. She's like such a funny person. And so she was really letting her personality shine and she was like getting people with like how funny she was. Question for you today is like, do you feel like there's a type of content that you're creating that's been really hard for you to keep up with? We're here to have fun. We're here because we love doing this. We're not here to stress ourselves out and run ourselves into the ground with the type of content that we're creating. So let's find a way that's more sustainable for you. You literally cannot grow a successful creator business if you're creating content that's not sustainable for you. That is the most important thing you will learn about running a creator business.